Today we're doing a walk around on Eric's 1968 RSSS Camaro. Come take a look. It's the original color, original style tires and wheels. It's a factory 4-speed car. This car came to us in a bright red with big old flares on the back of it and stuff, and we brought it back pretty much to how it should have looked originally. We went with 69 style stripes just to finish the look of the car. We had Martin Dean from Martin's Upholstery come and completely redo the interior in the car. Beautiful job as usual, Martin. Let's take a listen. Let's see how it sounds. Runs and drives just like she looks. Thanks for stopping by.